Where you going?
Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Come here. Come here. Where you going? Yeah, where you going?
Come here! I tap my button. Niggas be running and tripping, they swear they doing something, I'm getting back. Niggas be yelling out there like they creating hats, a tray dropper. I got bun on back of this bitch, it shoot proper, miss shit. Boss face far as hell, I swear it's long distance, see I'm tripping. I keep Yola next to me, this Scott pimping. Come here! Handle business, don't pass me no pole unless it come extension.
XD!
I got a glick with a stick, hop out, I
Stretching!
fuck he talking about, I ain't listening, I ain't hearing anything. Click that bundle over to the left and you don't turn shit to a zest thing. I'm a factor, if they kill me, they go up like 10 points. Up that scope, yeah, I creeped around out back, I unlock the door. I'm hitting shit, she keep asking where I been, little bitch, I'm spinning shit. Don't worry shit, when I let this bun go off, I'm clearing it. Come on. Let this dime go off, he singing and shit, he loose the van draw. Where you going? And running, yeah, that nigga got wrecked, that shit don't mean nothing. He bluffing me, that gives you shine in your face right now, my remedy. Go finish him, ask him, do you remember what he did, then bury him. No Uda, come on. First one I did was on feet, bounced out, head up the Uber. Let's go! Tap that yacht 3 times, I bet you it'll shoot smoother. Back door, what we yell out when they thinking what they dick. Oh, shit! What he yelled out way before he got hit. I been fucking hoes and fleeing shit before we got lit. Let's go! We already knew he died way before they posted. We toast shit. X-Lo knocked on with quick. I was just trapping that weather, I couldn't feel my toes. Free the bros, we got freak bitches doing dicks and dropping lows. Let's go. That he try run from me, this bitch a whole vet. I got tired doing them drop out, bitch bounce out and soul snatch. I'm the one, I've been bouncing out them cars, it's kinda fun. Swinging doors, heard about cuz that got shot on his face. Know your place, if you don't, then I come see you to that place. Let's go. See? I seen you to that place. Come on.
You can get shot if you clutch. Yeah, they wanna be cool, but it's runts. Get the drop, he gon' go in the trunk. Turn the music, he screaming too much. They ain't gangsta, they wanna be tough. They ain't hard, these niggas is sus. If I park him, he can't get a jump. Tell him chill for they picking him up. Sky blue bitch, so you know that I'm crip. Hop in the car, then you taking the risk. Real nigga turn, I been waiting for this. Put his ass in the oven, I'm baking this shit.
Know that I'm fucking it good, she tryna get up, her legs was shaking and shit.
I took her right to the trap, you see all these plates, you see all these raisins shit. Water gang bitch, I'm really a shark. If the work ain't good, it's already bought. Knock his head off, now you see it in thoughts. Park up the car, then we hop out and walk. On the rain camera, you see was black figures moving. This see a whole lot of sparks.
On the ring camera, you see the black figures moving. This see a whole lot of sparks.
Bow! Nigga, fuck they talking about? Shit different, nigga. Let me hear it.